welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria Cruz for those that don't know me, and today's video will be an unboxing video for my, I believe it's AliExpress. So I got a bunch of stuff, so I'll be showing you. I got everything in different packages. So the first thing I got was this like little bag. I think it's for your brushes. Yeah, so I have this side, and then it has a little see-through like mesh zip-up bag, maybe for your like beauty blenders or whatever, and these pockets for like brushes. It's actually pretty big, so once I put it to use, I'll let you guys know how I like it in my next video. But I like the size, so I hope it makes like traveling or whatever better. Mente! Okay, so my next package, I think it's brushes. And I got two different little bags. Yeah. Gold and the top is like white. And it's really soft. Honestly, for the price, they are very, very fluffy and soft. So I don't know how they apply the product. They kind of smell weird though. They have like a little weird smell. So I'll be washing them before I use them. But I will be doing a review on them. And then the other bag, and the little bag had 6 brushes, and this bigger one has 12 brushes, and these are black with rose gold, and then they have their black brushes with like the white tip. Oh, very soft, very, very, very soft. I'm impressed with the quality, but I don't know how they'll like blend, or so I'll be doing a separate video on that. Let's see. Okay, so I have some more brushes and another. So this one also has 12, and they're also all black with rose gold and the black and white tip. So I will be testing all these brushes out and see how I like them and let you guys know, and I'll be linking them down below because they're actually really cheap. And see how I like those. Okay, so the next package I got is some eyelashes. These are very, very dramatic. I thought these weren't going to be that dramatic because of the picture, but I'll try them on and see if they don't make my eyes look funny or whatever. And these are more simple, but they are pretty fluffy. I actually like, by what I'm seeing, I like them. But I don't know how they look on my eyes or how the band is. So I'll let you guys know how I like these. And the brushes come with this little paper that says what each brush is for. And then I got another eyelash package, which these are only 4. Oh, the other eyelashes have 5 pairs each, so there's 10 pairs of lashes. And then these ones I got 4, and these are in like fancier packaging. It's Mink 3D hair. These ones are beautiful. So I'll be trying all of these. They are beautiful. And they're all these are different styles. I think these are my favorite. So I think that is everything. I think that's everything. But I'll be doing Gracias. So I will be doing a video reviewing the brushes and the eyelashes, but I am going to wash the brushes before I use them because they're gonna smell funny. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and stay tuned for my next video, which will be reviewing these and see how I like them. But thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for your support and watching. And I missed you guys so much. A lot of people have been asking me why I haven't been recording, but I just haven't had time. And stay tuned for next video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for the next videos. I will be recording a lot more, and I will be doing more videos. And I am planning to do a vlog channel with my hubby, so stay tuned. And if you guys want to see more videos or anything, or you guys want me to review something, just let me know down in the comments. Bye guys.